Very good evening to all of you, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. As our madam mentioned, as we are concluding the session, but I feel that it is the beginning of the new era as new networking, collaboration, association, partnership, and all happening here because of this event. So I feel that new commitments are coming forward. So it is a new beginning. So I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks on behalf of the organizers and also the NutriHub and ICR Indian Institute of Millet Research. First of all, I propose thanks to our Honorable today's Chief Guest, Sri N. Chilorai Swami, Honorable Minister of Agriculture, Government of Karnataka. Sir, ನೀವು ಕಳೆದ 2 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎ ಬಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತುಂಬ ಟೀಮ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಗೂ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ITF ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ, ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ CEO NutriHub ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದಯಾಕರ್ ರಾವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬಂದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 1,000ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೋವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಡ್ಯ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಾಗಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈತರಿಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ FPOಸ್ಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಥ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ಸ್ಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಟು ದ ಆನರೇಬಲ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀ N. Chilorai Swami for his time and address to the gathering. So also thanks to our ICR authority, including the Honorable Director General Dr. Himanshu Pathak sir, DDG Education Dr. R.C. Agrawal sir, and also our Crop Science DDG Dr. T.R. Sharma sir, ADG Dr. S.K. Pradhan, and our Director Dr. C. Taram Satyavati for the continuous support and also help for organizing this such mega event of the International Nutri-Cereal Convention 6.00 on millet startups as well as R&D. Sir, R.C. Agrawal sir, you have mentioned about the introduction of millets in all the educational institutes. So it is a wonderful initiative sir, as our agriculture graduates should know first the importance of the millets, and really it is very appreciable, and you have taking forward the millets on behalf of the ICR. So I once again take this opportunity to thank you for your all the efforts and the supports. So I also take this opportunity to thank Mr. Shiva Kumar, so Group Head Agri IT and ITC Limited. Sir has mentioned our association with the 2 decades. Sir, the association will continue forward, and we work in association with all the private companies who are promoting the millets. Thank you so much for your continuous effort and your presence, sir. Thank you. So I also take this opportunity to thank Mr. Rahman, Senior Director and R&D Head, South Asia Region, PepsiCo. So it is the beginning of the new era, as the big companies are investing on the millets. So PepsiCo is among one of them. So I thanks to the Mr. Rahman for your presence and as well as address to the gathering. Thank you so much, sir. I fail my duty if I don't mention the person behind this mega event. That is none other than Dr. B. Dayakar Rao. He is the CEO, NutriHub, Principal Scientist as well as the today's Director in charge. Sir, you have made this successful event. So continuously we had the 6 mega events like this from the 2018 onwards, as we declared the National Year of Millets. Since then we are organizing such a mega events, and it is one of the successful event, what I can say. So we are thinking about the beyond International Year of Millets. So you have put lot of effort to create this mega ecosystem, sir. You had the many sleepless nights also. I know how madam is also behind you to organize this one continuously. See, is taking care of you, and you are taking care of all of us to organize this mega event. So thank you so much, sir, on behalf of the Team NutriHub, Team IIMR, and as well as all the startups, FPOs, and all the delegates who are present here. So thank you so much, sir. So finally, I thanks to all the sponsors. So without your support or your financial contribution, the mega event would have not been successful this month. So diamond sponsors are Smart Maharashtra, Government of Karnataka, of course the minister is here, Government of Uttarakhand, and True Good. So coming to the gold sponsors, I thanks to the gold sponsors. First APEDA. So APEDA authority is also here. Thank you, sir. SREP Telangana, Government of Telangana. So also thanks to the silver sponsors for this mega event, NABARD, Regional Office Telangana, as well as the Hyderabad, PepsiCo, Buller, Britannia, and if we miss the other sponsors like the Government of Chhattisgarh, Duke, Government of Telangana, as well as the other sponsors, so who have contributed immensely for the organizing such a mega event. So thank you so much to all the organizers and the sponsors for this mega event. So finally, I come to the persons who have supported us to organize this mega event. So those are none other than the team IMR and the NutriHub. So it includes the scientists from the ICRIMR, senior scientists from the ICRIMR, and all the principal scientists who have given their valuable time and as well as involved in the reporting, rapporteur, and as well as in the team members like the group meet in organizing such a mega event. So committee members, I specially mention the committee members of all the committees. So NutriHub team is really wonderful, it's exceptional. So all the business managers, program managers, starting from the person who is working at the processing unit, can say, or who is contributing at the NutriHub. So I take this opportunity to thank them and also appreciate their efforts. They also had the sleepless night along with our CEO, sir. So really, it is very appreciable, and to organize this such an international event, and that too with the many stakeholders, it's really appreciable. So once again, I take this opportunity to thank all the NutriHub staff for their wonderful participation and commitment also. A big round of applause is really thankful to them. I also take this opportunity to thank all the startups, exhibitors, would-be entrepreneurs, or the innovative entrepreneurs, or the entrepreneurs who are shown the interest to start the new beginning in the millets. So I take this opportunity to thank them also, and also to all the academicians, starting from the IIT Kharagpur, state agriculture universities like the Telangana, US, Raichur, Bangalore, and Dharwad. The participants are from the different corners of the country, and also the representatives of all the ICR institutes located in the Hyderabad, as well as from the other location. So also thanks to the Manage Hyderabad who have sent us the international delegates as a part of their training program. So it is really appreciable for them also for the new learning and beginning. So finally, I thank each one of you for your lovely contribution and efforts to make this mega event successful. Thank you so much, one and all.